Good day guys and welcome to this video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to subscribe to Glo WTF social bundle. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So first and foremost, now you need to head over to your phone dealer, then dial star 312 hash, star 312 hash, then proceed. Now you need to tap on buy data plan, which is number one. Tap on buy data, select buy data plan, input. Okay, so now you need to proceed. If you want your data any data you purchase to auto renew, or just want to buy one off, you can activate yourself later. I proceed to one off. I don't like auto renew. So now you need to select this, input this number 7, which is social bundles. Okay, input it. So now you need to select number 1, WTF, WhatsApp, Twitter and Facebook. So that's the meaning of this WTF, WhatsApp, Twitter and Facebook bundles. Okay, social bundles. Select number 1. So now you need to select 25 naira 100 MB for 1 day, 50 naira 200 MB for 7 days, or 100 naira 500 MB for 30 days. Okay, so I'll just select 25 naira 100 MB for 1 day, 25 naira 100 MB for 1 day. So it says congrats, you have successfully subscribed to Glo WTF social bundle, giving 100 MB valid for 1 day. Okay, so guys, that's how you subscribe to Glo WTF social bundles. So before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.